Here's how you can survive 2023 as a real estate agent. Trust me, y'all, it's getting tough out here, and I'm having to give advice that I've never gave before because, look, people are having to quit the business just to pay their bills. And so I'm gonna tell you the biggest things that you can do right now so that way you can survive 2023 and still be in the biz. The first thing is gonna be you have to know your market better than your competition, all right? Now, when I say know your market, you gotta know average price per square foot, what homes are coming on the market, what homes are leaving the market, what's selling, what's not selling, what type of buyers are in the area looking in that market. I mean, everything about the market. Once you have this information and you know the market like the back of your hand, then you'll be able to scope out opportunities before anybody else can see them. For instance, if there is an influx of a certain industry or employee moving to a specific market, you can run some Facebook ads targeting people who work in that industry, right? You'll only know this if you know what's selling, who's buying, what they're buying for, all that kind of stuff. You can target people by income. You can target people who have just had kids that went and graduated off and now they're off to college. There are so many different things that you can use to your advantage in order to target a specific clientele to work in a market. So be very familiar with the market that you are working in. And I have a separate video that gets into how you can learn the market, but just know you got to know the market better than anybody. The next thing is going to be social media. You got to use social media like your life depended on it. No matter if you hate social media or don't know how to use it or not having success, the biggest thing is use social media more than anybody else. Look for people talking about moving, look for people attending open houses, post on community pages, join community groups, run Facebook ads, do whatever you got to do to make sure that you are out there. Social media is the new billboard, and the more that people can see you, the more chances that you have to be their real estate agent. So get on social media and market yourself like your life depended on it. Number 3, you got to go out there and meet new people. And I say meet new people, the goal with that is to build new relationships. If you are currently tapped out of everybody who's in your phone or on your social media platform, then guess what? You got to go meet new people. When I first got into the business, I had just moved from Atlanta to Dallas and I didn't know anybody. I barely knew the streets, right? So I had to build a network of people around me. What did I do? I went to parties, I went to networking events, I attended brokers opens. I was just going out there meeting people. There's a lot of people who I met who used to be in the real estate business, but now they're not in the business anymore. But I kept in touch with them. So I received referrals from them. At these social events where everybody's having a good time, people are drinking, people are laughing, these are great opportunities to meet people. What you don't want to do, especially when you first meet them, is start talking about your business and marketing your business. It's about starting a new relationship. So as you are talking to people, think to yourself, hey, can I be friends with this person? Would I like to hang out with this person again? Perfect. Add them on IG, set up a time to meet with them, go hang out at another place. Like, do what you would normally do if you are making a new friend. If you tapped out of your current network, you got to build a new network around you. The only way to do that is going out there, meeting new people and sparking new relationships. Another thing that you need to do in order to be successful in 2023 is learn new skills, all right? This is a big one and people hate when I say this, but you gotta stay up on skills. Like right now, AI, it's all over the place and it's happening. If you are resisting and not trying to learn about AI, guess what? You're gonna get left behind, okay? If you don't know how to negotiate, learn how to negotiate. If you don't know sales skills, learn sales skills. This is the perfect time when your business is slower to learn these new skills. I became obsessed with learning new skills and they helped me out tremendously in the end because now I can sell better than anybody. I can negotiate better than anybody. I know technology, video, graphic design, AI, all that kind of stuff better than all of my competition. And when you have that knowledge, you can use it to your advantage. So get out there, learn new skills, attend some classes, get a coach, go to seminars, whatever you got to do, sharpen up on your skills. If you do these things, you have a higher chance to remain in the business and be successful in 2023. The competition is getting hard, the market is changing, and if you don't adapt, you're going to get left behind. Let me know down in the comments if there are some other things that you feel like agents need to do in 2023 in order to be successful. And if you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notifications icon so that way you can get updated on my newer videos. Talk to you soon.